I don't know how to get this out. I don't even care. Want this? Gonna try to save this hood, I guess. So the torque arm in these cars is mounted to the 700 R4, and I've decided I'm going to use a different transmission, 4L60, I believe. And so I struggled with the torque arm getting it off, and I'm going to try something different to get it disconnected. Jackpot! I think I'm pretty close to getting this thing out. I gotta get the shifter cable out, take the cross member. Now, how do I get this? I got it. I didn't film it because I was swearing. This goes up like that, up under the things. Cross member out. I snipped the power steering hoses because I need to get new ones for the LS motor. And if I don't, well, now I do. Keep your fingers away from everything. Move the wire. Get them. The headers are just on the other side of the cross member. Maybe if I can cut it right there, it'll pop over. You know what? I don't even care. What do I got? The wires are clear. All right. Ah, there's a clip. I'm like, why can't I get these off? So there's a clip for the wire harness on the goddamn. I gotta snip that. Snips are right next to me. I'm not nervous, I swear. Got it out all by myself, and the Sawzall. Didn't really have too many issues. I didn't take the nose off. Learned a little lesson, but also I ended up putting a piece of wood right here. And that kind of, it was very close with the Pittsburgh all the way at the end. Nothing too crazy. But I had to cut the headers off. A few wires I couldn't get to, I just disconnected them on the way out. Cut a few. Not too many, don't worry. What else did I do? I left all that crap. I cut my power steering lines because time is money. And I saw how much they cost, so. But I don't know if they'd work for the 5.3 anyways. Ooh, now I'm just cleaning up my disastrous mess. There's a lot of fluid in these. He was confident though. Hey!
What is that?
Hell yeah. I call that an ollie. Yep. I already told you. I'm not going solar.
Mike, he has calls to take.
Mike has calls to take.
I totally do it,
That's how you know you have erectile dysfunction. You get a car like this.
That's how you know it's good.
It's only surface rust. It's only surface rust coming from a professional.
Sometimes
This is the last time I'm gonna tell you to stop calling me on my home phone. Stop it! Stop!